Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome to today's Smooth Love Potion update. I like that name, Smooth Love Potion. Wow. Anyway, before that, join me into the Discord, and if you go into the announcement tab, Discord is totally free, guys. You can actually have all these updates if you don't want to miss it on the Discord and general chat out there. We do have a SLP channel as well. And if you're interested into the signal, there's 10 more days left for whitelisting the signals, and the benefit of that is that, of course, we get to give you a signal for a coin with a good setup, and there's a 50-50 rule money management for you not to lose your money, and a few risky coins with good fundamentals. And where others might be losing 50, we might be losing 10. We might be saving some dumps as well. So all of this is for $5 per month. Not that it's not a guarantee to your earning, but that's the goal. So right, so you have a video right there on how to enter and watch that video. Now here we are into the SLP. Now SLP, guys, doing quite good ever since yesterday. I was talking about how you actually break out of a trend and then you go back to retest the trend line. But there's one problem, and the problem is Bitcoin, of course. Bitcoin is looking to actually go to 37,000 something. And that makes me wonder that if this head and shoulder that I previously talked about is going to happen. Because there's now a possibility that the head and shoulder is going to play out. Of course, we've been overextended with SLP as well. What I'm going to do is I'm going to tell you. Yeah, so previously I do remember pointing out that this was your left shoulder right there, your head, and your right shoulder. So that's not quite good. And the reality is that we still broke out of that neckline right there. This was your neckline, you broke out of it. And that's the technical target out of this ascending head and shoulders from there to there, and this way you broke out of it. So you're looking to actually go down to what? To the 17. The 17 is where you're looking to go down, and potentially, who knows, that you could actually do something like this, that you just keep going just like that for a long time and make good 17. But the story is that you still remain above this trend line. Do you understand that? I mean, it doesn't necessarily come down all of a sudden, but it actually takes a long time to actually go down to 17 and still holds this yellow line, because that's what you want to see. So if it starts early to drop, then that's going to be losing this trend line. But who knows, it could be a quick wick and a fake out, and then boom, you go to the upside. Take all the stop losses, and then from there it starts continue to the upside. And it's all on Bitcoin, guys. When you trade any coin out there, it's really important to watch out for Bitcoin as well. And what you're doing right now on the mini setup, like the 1 hour time frame, you're putting first top and potentially a second top right there, where we're gonna have one neckline just like this one. And if you break out of that neckline, guys, I'm just gonna tell you the next technical target from there to there. That's gonna be from here to this place. That takes you to the 20, and then the downtrend is going to continue to go for the next technical target of the 17. So yeah, so watch out for this head and shoulder. This is really important because it is in play at this point of time. And symmetrical triangle was lost. Yes, it was lost. That's not in play anymore, and what is in play instead is what you see, the head and shoulder right there. So that's just how things are looking into the chart. They're kind of a little bit nasty, so if you're looking for an entry, I do suppose that you actually wait. Now our entry, of course, was from the 12 13 areas, and this is where we were selling our coins. So it's like 183% gain from the time we were entering and we're selling. So if you actually followed the videos and you've been saving, you've already saved like 30%. Even if it does go to the 17 right there, then you're looking to save even 51% of your money, basically, right? So in order for us to actually flip bullish, I would like to see it, try to go up and cross the 34. I've talked about this before as well, that when you're gonna flip bullish, just wait for the coin to go to 34, hold the 34 and continue. Now we don't know if the monthly time frame at this point of time is gonna close above 27 cents. We're at the 24 at this point of time. So it's really important to actually analyze if SLP is interested to go up to 27 by the end of the month in 9 days. So the next 9 days are very important. If in 9 days you start to close with the bullish engulfing candle, then there's a potential play that you're actually going to reverse and go to the upside and continue with the uptrend instead of going to the downside. And that's it for today's update. I'm going to see you with the next one. Allah Hafiz.